The Red exhibition was a success.
The turnout was great during the opening. People came and supported us.
The response was largely positive and inspiring, especially from those who have seen us grow and those who know where we came from in terms of our skill and in comparison to what we were able to produce for the Red exhibition. I think they were proud of us and everyone was happy that at our young ages or with our little experience in the scene, we can still be able to produce such artworks and organize such a successful exhibition.
During the exhibition, we had a lot of people come in. So we got to meet a lot of people who saw the artworks and were impressed, and we got to share contacts and such stuff.
On average, between 20 and 35% of the artworks we had on display were sold. In general, I can say we are moving in the right direction and it was an awesome experience.
I'd like to thank Alliance, AfroArt, Living Images Technologies, and I'd like to thank also Clevers, because I could not have pulled off this exhibition without his help and support.
We'd like to urge people to keep attending art exhibitions and promote the young people in the industry. It's really inspiring if someone who's still on the rise is able to produce an exhibition, then people come and see, some even buy. It means a lot if someone appreciates your art to the point of buying it. So we would urge people to keep attending art exhibitions and support Kenyan talents in all art scenes.